Welcome to Oz Scalemodeling, and welcome to the Expo 22, the Sydney Festival of Model Shipbuilding. So this was a last minute thing I put together, and let's have a look what I went and saw here. So as you can see, there's quite a collection of ships here on the table. This was in Ashfield, New South Wales, in Australia, Sydney, and it was at the Ashfield Wests Leagues Club, and it's hosted by the Sydney Model Shipbuilders Club. And you can see, look at that one there, HMAS Sydney, beautiful big ship there. Apparently the hull was purchased for this, but everything else was all scratched built. Amazing, some of the models and some of the equipment they have. These were quite good. These were nice little models. Again, not particularly any brand of kit, just scratch built. There's a nice one there. The wood models are a little bit different for my channel, but who knows, it might generate some interest. I have been thinking about building a wood model for a while. There's the Atlantis fishing boat. It's a nice little boat there. But these things take a long time. There's the Endeavour, beautiful tall ship there. Look at the detail on that deck. Look at all the rigging. Absolutely incredible. It's amazing. Look at that. Fantastic. I reckon that would have taken quite a long time to build. Fantastic. Isn't that amazing? So there's quite a lot of people showed up here. I was there probably about an hour after they opened in the morning, and got quite busy. I was there for about an hour, then people sort of started wandering off for lunch. There's the Cutty Sark. It's about the only ship in this whole lot that I've actually been on. This one is moored in the docks at Greenwich. For tourists to visit in London, and yeah, many years ago, probably about 10 years ago or more now, probably about 15 years ago, I was over there and saw that. There's a cross section of San Francisco. Very, very nice. There's the Virginia from 1819. Nice ship. Mercator. I don't know any ships, but beautiful work in them. That's a nice one. Royal Caroline. Very good. So they had everybody walking in there was given a pencil and paper, and you could write down what your people's choice was. Put as many as you want, hand them in as you go out. At the end of the weekend, they would have draw them out. Look at all the detail on that deck. All the rope work. Incredible. Looks really nice, that one. Viking ship. It's the Endeavour, 1768. Beautiful ship there on display in that giant acrylic case. Makes me wonder how these people transport these to and from the show without having a disaster on the way. Amazing. Look at it down on the deck there. All the detail, all that rigging. I don't know how they managed to do all that. the Dunbar. That was a nice looking ship there. Beautiful big sails on it. 1853, it's an early one. Wow. Moving over here, we've got the old Titanic there. Can't have a ship show without the Titanic, I guess. There was a couple here at this show. This one's fantastic. This Sovereign of the Seas is beautiful. The size of that. Amazing, isn't it? This one here was beautiful too. The black sails all rolled up on it. Isabella. It's a pirate ship. Really, really nice. That was one of my favourite of the wooden ships. The Wicked Wench. Sounds like another pirate ship. Yeah, nice. There's another one there. Smaller but very nice looking ship there. Black Falcon. Incredible. There's like a big sailing schooner there. The Halcon. Nice. And we go down here, we've got a cross-section part there. Looks really good. Very detailed. Really nice. And moving along, we've got it's a nice colourful one. A lot of rigging in there. A Daikin maybe. 1595, that's an old ship, isn't it? And we've got the Revell. Sanson. Tugboat up there top. Perseverance. Really nice. I think it was just one person who built all of those. Now we have a look at this submarine there. There's a smaller scale, 1/700 scale little boats. Something more along my lines. Greek frigate, the Eli. More Jimmy Carter submarines. Up here, there's a bigger one there. Nice. This one I like the mount for it in the dry dock. I thought that looked really, really good. Yeah. And this guy here is one of the old members of the club. He was working on that ship there, doing some of the rigging. That ship was for sale in the box there. I think it was about $400.
Back to that as well.
Yeah.
I took it too earlier.
Okay guys, so that was the Expo 2022, the Sydney Festival of Model Building. Quite interesting, lots of stuff there, lots of interesting things. I was expecting it to be all wooden boats, but it was a bit of everything. We've got some ships here for sale actually, just before we leave. $320, $200 for the oil tanker. We've got a ship for Rattlesnake. No price, but it is for sale. And another one there for sale too. Amphion, I think it's pronounced. Interesting. Yeah. Anyway, that was good. Something different from my channel. Will I ever make a wooden boat? I probably will one day. I just feel that there's something that you need to make as you're a bit older, when you've got more time. Some of those ships in there, I was speaking to one woman, her husband spent 3 years building. Absolutely incredible. So yeah, so this was in Sydney at Ashfield. I'm at the local leagues club. I don't know if they have this annually here, but it's pretty good. Sorry about the picture's not too good. Very bright in here. It's better. So yeah. All right. Well, hope you enjoyed it. And, please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you get notified of my videos as I release them. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you've got any comments below, let us know. Bye for now. Cheers.